Everybody, welcome back to another video about smooth low potion coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of smooth low potion SLP coin. So let's start the video. Let me show you what's going on in the smooth low potion. But guys, before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos about SLP coin. Guys, the right now price of smooth low potion SLP coin is about 0.08193 USD dollar. That is the right now price of SLP coin. Furthermore, guys, other side, if we talk about the changes occur in the SLP coin, so negative 1.81%. Negative changes occur in the SLP coin. Guys, the price dumps very badly in the latest situation. Guys, anyways, guys, now I know guys that in the ready situation, the trading volume, the fully diluted market cap, everything are going low. So you can see here trading volume, fully diluted market cap, same like that. The market cap is also going in negative, guys. But guys, that's not mean that you decide to sell. No, that's not mean, guys. That's mean that it's time, patience time. Now the price is in the dump. Now the price is in the negative. So you should have to wait. You should have to wait, guys. Anyways, what you think? What is your price prediction? What is your update about SLP coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. Guys, hope you like.